military, knowing what you had to do was easy. Up at 0500, PT at 0600, and on to your day. You knew the SOP and you simply had to execute. Now you're in the civilian world and the confusion has set in. You want to find work but don't have reliable transportation to an interview. You need to find stable housing but you don't have a phone to start the process. You know there's help out there, but you're getting dizzy at the number of options and social workers and organizations. And you're sick of taking a number and getting in line. Life doesn't wait, and neither should you. The good news is that there is a program that has a proven track record of success. The Homeless Veteran Reintegration Program, HVRP, meets veterans wherever they are, sleeping in their car, staying with a friend, or using the local shelter. Don't feel like you have a skill set, credentials, or experience to find a job? HVRP can connect the dots, get you set up in vocational training, and land a job that gives you purpose as well as a paycheck. Thousands of vets across the country have gone through this program and found employment that marked a turning point in their lives. Each HVRP program functions differently, but job training, interview and resume skills, and job leads are part of most programs. Veterans can also receive fuel cards or bus passes to help offset transportation costs while looking for work, as well as boots, tools, or clothing needed on the job. Maybe you finally landed the job interview but don't have decent clothing to wear for it. HVRP can help. Ever feel like you've gotten lost among the countless veterans seeking help and are waiting for a social worker to call you back? Every HVRP case managers regularly check in with you, troubleshoot issues along the way, and provide you with support to take the next step. The program is a hands-on, personalized approach that cuts the red tape and moves you towards your goals. Have you had less than ideal experiences dealing with the VA? It's important to know that HVRPs are not the VA. In fact, many are veteran-owned organizations. These programs often employ veterans to work with participants, so there's a good chance that you'll be working with a fellow veteran. For qualified veterans, this is a totally free service. To be eligible, you have to meet homelessness or at-risk criteria, which includes a variety of things. You may not think of yourself as being at risk, but if you've had unstable housing, lack steady income, or can't afford rent, you may be eligible. So how do you get started? The first step is to locate an HVRP in your area. There's two ways to do this. One is to call 866-487-2365, and the second is to navigate the Veterans Tech Center linked to the QR code on the screen and in the video notes below. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the many challenges as a homeless veteran, you're not alone. It's a natural reaction, and it's understandable, but you have to get off the kill zone. The HVRP program was designed to move you in the right direction, whatever that means to you. Every journey starts with a step. Take yours today.